Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, a gap still pending at a level of 4.1 to a level of 4.35 that you have to understand. Okay, and this as soon as the price comes close to a level of 3.9, chances are very high that we can see this gap can be filled. Okay, second thing is that as soon as it moves out of the zone, okay, so as soon as it moved out of the zone, that is, it has moved above a level of $3. We have seen twice it has gone above a level of $3.5 and a level of 3.68210. These two levels we have seen. Why? And this was the clear pattern was forming when I have told you that it has touched a level at a level of 3.2, that it can go further upside because a pattern was formed. Now again, if the price again moved above a level of $3.4, we can see it can cross a level of 3.6 also, and from there we can see it can make further upside movement and a probability of going towards a level of around 3.9 also we can see. Okay, two things. Now if you look at the pandemic, after pandemic, what had happened in the price of natural gas, that it was moving continuously upside, but it was creating a pattern. Okay, and this pattern is being created, and this where the war situation was there, that is where we have seen the price was continuously moving down. Okay, after that what will happen, that the price was moving in a range for quite some time. So once the range and the range has break, that is where we have seen these two higher on the natural gas. Now also it is moving down. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $3.0463. Okay, and as soon as it moves below this particular zone, it will come below a level of around $3. Then a probability of going towards a level of 3.0168 is there, and from there a probability of touching a level of 2.9441 is there. Okay, so if the price moves below that particular zone, probability of touching a level of $2.7901 is there. After crossing a level of 2.9441, we can see a level of $2.7901, and from there a probability of going towards a level of 2.593 is there. Okay, so once the price moves below a level of 2.7901, then a probability of touching 2.593, and if the price fall below that level, a probability of touching 2.396 is there. Okay, so once it moves below 2.963, then a further fall we can see towards a level of $2.273. Okay, and as soon as it moves below this level, we will see that it can cross a level of around $2.140, and then a probability of crossing this level we can see a further low. Okay, you have to understand that there is a breakout happening if it moves below a level of $2.5, because there is a pattern forming. So once it moves below a level of 2.5, then we can see it can cross a level of 2.15 also, and this level is being tested, so chances are high further fall we can see, and then it can fall below a level of $2. Okay, if it moves below a level of 2.5, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. But as I have to explain you have to understand that market is always uncertain. If you are thinking that the market will move as per you, it will not. You have to understand, and you can follow a price action if you are going for a longer view. If shorter view also, you can price action works mostly. Okay, and remember how much the volatility is there. So do your quantity and target an SL as per that. Okay, so if the volatility is higher, reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL and target by twice, so it will help you to get your target rather than hitting your SL. Suppose it form a swing, and then a probability is higher that it can go further high towards $3.2678, and from there a probability of touching $3.3. If the price started going above that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of $3.41, and if it goes above that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of around $3.5021. Okay, and once started going above that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of $3.670, and from there a probability of crossing a level of $3.6501. Okay, So you have to keep it in mind that as soon as started going above a level of 3.2, chances of touching 3.5021 will be there, and from there probability of crossing a level of 3.6501. Okay, as soon as started going up higher that level, a probability of going towards 3.746 we can see. Okay, and then there will be a probability of breakout, as we can see looking at this chart. Okay, so chances are high it will go towards 3.7 to a level of 3.9, and then this gap can be filled at a level of $4.143, and then a probability of crossing this level we can see. Okay, now understand, there is a higher chances that if it moves above a level of 3.7, a further upside we can see, but it started moving below a level of 2.5, a further fall we can see. These two ranges you have to understand. Overall trend is downside. Okay, but overall trend, since if you look at a day wise chart, this is downside, but if you look at overall from a weekly or monthly basis, there is a continuous upside. Okay, because we have seen two breakout happen, and if a probability is there, if the price move above a level of $3.2, a further upside movement we can see in the price of natural gas, and then if it started going higher, then a higher side we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.